Hi Orlando, thank you so much for allowing me to send you this video. My name is Joelle again, and I'm with Zoe SEO and Web Design. Basically, I just wanted to show you the three main things that Google is looking for when a search is made, particularly for an electrician in our area. So this will begin to help you to outrank your competitors on Google, ultimately bring in those customers and that revenue from the use of your website here. So I created this video because I know that you probably do not have the time to learn how to make the internet and the use of the website bring you more customers. And you probably are not sure who out there is an expert and who isn't, who's just trying to take money from you. So I found that when I'm able to create videos like this that are informative and give them away for free, a lot of business owners will take what I have shared with them and they'll do it themselves, or some will call me back and have me do it for them. So whatever you want to do is totally cool with me. Although of course I'd love to be the expert and help you do it. I just want to help in whatever way I can. In this video, I'm going to talk about the three main things involved with search engine optimization, or as we call it, SEO. These are content, backlinks, and citations. Implementing these three components will be what gets those potential customers to your site. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that you have a lot of content. The average website that ends up on the first page of Google should have about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page here. This is all the text, your titles, and what your images are saved as. And once you get more content than your competitor, you will blow them out of the water. Within the content, you'll want to make sure that you have buyer intent search terms or keywords. A keyword is just a phrase someone types into Google. For example, if I were to type in electrician, it looks like you have it in the about section. Let me see, Los Angeles. So this would be buyer intent. Sometimes, just the word electrician by itself, of course, Google does, a search for local electricians, but you want to have a buyer intent search word. So, and you would want to implement these within your home page a couple times so that you can be found in Google for what you offer. So your content is number one. Number two is backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google ranks your value on the authority those other websites give you, and Google wants to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company. Keep in mind, though, they want to see relevant links. So that means that that they want to see relevant links, which means it will give you a lot more power if you have another electrical company linking to you, or a construction company instead of, say, a Bed Bath & Beyond. So the tool that I use to see how a website is ranking in Google is called Ahrefs. And this tool shows me the amount of keywords that you're ranking for and the amount of backlinks that your website has. Currently, you have one website linking to you, giving power to 2 backlinks. Now, when I searched for electrician in Los Angeles, because I wasn't sure exactly what area you wanted to focus on, it didn't quite say it in your website, but so it's kind of a general search. Los Angeles is huge, but this is the top competitor, and they have about 486 websites linking to them, giving power to 10,000 backlinks. So what you would need to do is copy them. If these websites linking to them are good enough to get them to the top, then they're good enough for you. So you would just need to visit all 486 of these websites and put a link or a few on each of them that links back to your home page or one of your service pages. Most of the time you can just create a profile and add a link in the profile, or put a comment somewhere. So then if you add your URL, which would be this right here, oops, if you add your URL to all of these websites, and then find other websites that are more other top competitors, and then you add the necessary content within your page, you are going to rank in the top organically. So if you want to beat your competitor with the Google ads, then you're going to have to bid higher than your competitor. And if you want to be at the top of the Google Maps section, right here, you'll need to have more citations than your competitor. Citation is anywhere where your business's name, address, and phone number is listed in different directories. And a directory is a website like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, that allows you to list this information. Basically, find out where your competitors are listed and then add your business's information to more directories than they have. If they're listed in 150 directories, you should be listed in 300. So this is just a quick overview. I hope you found it to be helpful and informative. I tried to keep it short and to the point. As a quick recap, you'll need about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page here. You want to have more websites linking to you than your competitor, and you want to put your business's name, address, and phone number in as many directories, more directories, than your top search competitor here. If you follow these tips, this is how you'll become #1 across the top of the search engine results page in Google. And it does take time, so I recommend you get started quickly. The sooner that you get started, the sooner you'll start profiting from your website. So if you have any questions, Orlando, or you would just rather have someone else handle this for you while you keep running your business, please feel free to give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the email, and if I'm not already working with another electrician in the area, I would be more than happy to help you out. All I ask is that you just give me some feedback. Let me know what you thought of this video. You can respond to the email, and I thank you so much. I look forward to hearing from you.